Hey guys, it's me Pawan Dakal, and in this video we'll learn to turn off this multimedia ads in Microsoft Ad. So basically in my course, some of my students were asking me this question on how they can stop this multimedia ads, and I was myself confused because I haven't ever noticed these multimedia ads before. And when I checked on my campaigns, then I was seeing that multimedia ads bid were up to 40%, and we can only increase it up to 20%. We cannot decrease it below the 20% range. So I was too much confused, and then I talked to Microsoft Ad support, and they provided me a solution which I'm going to share with you in this video. So what they told me is you simply should go to log into your Microsoft Ad account, and then go to settings. Once you go to this setting, then you'll see, if you already have other campaigns here, then you will see account level option in right side. Okay, anyways, just go to account level options and then scroll below, and you'll see here auto apply recommendations, and you can simply untick this multimedia ads. Okay, so if you don't know what multimedia ads, then you can check it at here by typing multimedia ads. It is basically ad when it appears, I think when people search for some keyword, then it will appear at the right side or at the top. I think that is multimedia ads, but I am not interested in multimedia ads. So I also have turned off these multimedia ads, and you can do it too in this simple way. Okay, once you untick that, then click on save. So as you can see, it is auto applied to any campaign you are going to run on Microsoft Ads. So that means you may get some irrelevant click to your landing page or offer that you are promoting. So this much I wanted to show you in this video, and I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and do like this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.